Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed to part 2 one page website in Laravel 10. This project name is applight. This is my channel Error Solution code. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. This new video notification available. Press the bell icon. This my project name is one page website in Laravel. This playlist already one video uploaded. This video is 2. This my website name is errorsolution.com. In this available all this premium script inside this all available this project inside this buy. Let's start this video. First of all, this my Xampp server already started. Apache and MySQL are already started. Let's check this. This my Xampp server. This my Xampp server htdoc folder. This my Xampp server. Let's run localhost php my admin. Successfully available this PHP version 8.1.2. This PHP version, this folder name is a Xampp server 8.1 and 2. This folder successfully working. Let's start Composer, install and download. First of all Composer. This Composer, click this Composer. This download, this link, copy this link and paste here this link Composer and click this download. This download Composer second link, copy and paste this Composer inside this available Composer dash setup.exe. click this. Click this. This file name is 1.7.mb. this .exe is the start download. This successfully download this Composer setup file. This download, open the folder. This folder is available. This cut inside this paste here. This my project. This did I open inside this new folder, create Composer setup composer and open this and paste here. Successfully copy in this paste here. Let's open and install for all user and click this. Install for your user, click this and check this developer mode. This developer mode set. Developer mode set and next in this C drive Composer set. Inside this check this my Xampp server D drive inside the Xampp server 8.1.2. this PHP version in this Xampp server inside PHP inside this php.exe file and open. Successfully set and next. Successfully next and install. Successfully installation. Good working. Let's check this my Xampp server 8.1.2. this Xampp folder. Let's cmd open cmd Composer. Successfully good working. This good working. This latest version 2.6.3 good version. This today date. This good worker. Let's PHP version check. PHP v successfully 8.1.2 successfully chat. This version good version. This 2.6.3 is available. This latest version. This Composer good installation and PHP version check. This good. This PHP version 8.1 successfully installation. This folder inside this PHP inside this file name is installation. Good working. Let's open this htdoc folder. Inside this cmd open this htdoc Xampp folder inside htdoc folder, and this close and let Laravel command run. This Laravel command, this copy this command line, copy and paste here and enter. The step by step installation, Laravel latest version. This Laravel latest version installation, good working. This inside install, this applight folder create this available this today. This installation step by step. Please wait. This installation. This project name applight. Wait. In this, click this cut and close this file and paste here this Laravel installation command. This paste. Please wait. Let's stop video, again start. Successfully installation good. This successfully installation, this all package installation good. Let's run this cd applight and enter. Successfully installed. This project name is insert. This inside create this Xampp server htdoc folder as light is available. Let's php artisan serve and enter. This run, this composer run, this successfully run. Successfully installation latest version 10 Laravel latest version php. This let's check this JSON file. This open the Sublime text editor. This file successfully PHP version 8.1 Laravel framework 10.10. This latest version. This my project successfully installed. Let's successfully run this localhost applight. This project name applight. In this public, click this public. This manually run. This manually run localhost applight. This successfully applied. Project manually run. Let's this close this and run. This is not working. This not working. This manually is good working. This live server GoDaddy hostinger, but this PHP artisan not server. This close this and run manually. This public path is remove. Step by step public path is remove. Let's open this my project. This all cut file. This cut and paste here. This paste in index file. Open this index file and this storage, this slash add, this remove and this remove, all remove and set and save file and refresh this page. Is a good working. This error set, this remove this public successfully set. Let's .env file. This access is remove env.env. This is access. Let's step by step this env stop. Laravel.env stop. Laravel.env file permission. Click this source and this open this secure file permission. This copy this name, copy and this file, open this https file, open this sublime text editor, open, and last add and save file, and let's refresh this page. This env disable, good working, this env disable. Let's public is disable and .env file disable, .env disable, good working. This project is enter, click this live website is good working. This any domain, any hosting or GoDaddy, any server working good. Let's step by step set. This file is open, this file resource inside view inside this welcome file, open successfully, welcome file open, and remove all and HTML and applight and welcome applight and save file, and this all remove. Successfully working, this good. Laravel latest version successfully run, this env file disable, this good working, this remove all, this index file all remove, this disable file index php open, this public all remove, cut and paste here. Successfully set this composer, download and install this file path, Xampp server inside php inside this file path installation successfully composer. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and this my channel, subscribe. Thank you.